need to fix it because it's hooking at the bottom here, because it's come loose. So I'm going to glue it, and I'm going to put a piece of aluminium inside against it. It's the handle that must go on there, these two pulse cells. So I'll drill it from the other side, screw it in. Yeah,
grape picking, African limousine, waterfalls, birds' nests. We're traveling around South Africa from the bottom to the top. Cindy and Graham explore. Enjoy!
Later.
What are we eating, babe?
We're eating supper. No, we were given some snook.
By our neighbours.
Yes, a snook, yeah.
You meet such beautiful people, hey?
It's got nice bones in it.
We have never tasted snook, and we're in the area where they actually catch snook. And we were blessed by the lady next door. She gave us four beautiful pieces, and I made a beautiful sauce because they say you should have jam, apricot jam or chutney, and I've got chutney. So I made a sauce with carrots, small pieces of potato, onions, and I fried it all together, and I put chutney with it and a bit of salt. What do you say about the snook, man?
Fleshy, there's a lot of meat in it.
Yes.
It's nice.
Divine. Okay, bye, babe. Enjoy your food.
Bye. Take it back this way. This is what it looks like if you're out in the desert, the Kalahari Desert, on the way to Springbok from Port Nolde. There's a nice church out there. Angry Mark.
Doesn't look like they like coffee shops here.
Well, they're not coffee people, yeah.
Looks like. Hey, babe, there should be a netbank around in a plaza. What was that plaza I said? Yeah, there's a netbank sign on the other side of it.
Or common sort of shops that you have all around South Africa.
Oh.
Checkers, everything. This is a checker complex. This is where I met Cindy the day we came for a medicine. This is a big piece, man. I must be careful now.
No, don't be mine.
This is a very big piece.
Yes, it's my piece.
What piece?
It's mine.
Not yours. It's mine
It's
too.
great. Where are we now?
This has got my name on it here as well.
Okay, have a piece and then you got to talk to me. Where are we? Right?
We're here.
And I love your glasses with the piece of tape on.
That's the only way that I know that you don't take mine.
Because you've got the same glasses. How do you just leave me a little piece of that? That's not fair, babe.
No, well, you took half of the biscuit.
It's not ugly.
In the beginning, you just ate half of it.
Babe, that's fine. And now, just tell me where we are.
We had a place called Bean Tree
At the spa in Springbok.
in Springbok.
Yeah, so we came out for them a meringue and a little coffee each. We didn't have a cappuccino.
Like
Because we're on budget.
Almost like the only coffee shop here.
That's why we ask you just to buy us coffees because we're on budget. How do you see the funny side of
I
this?
want a coffee.
Yeah.
I've got a half a coffee.
Oh, and it's ordinary coffee. And people will say, you know what they'll say? I don't want to give you money for coffee because you must just have ordinary.
This
Don't
is
listen
ordinary.
to me.
So this is Kookaburra Motel and Caravan Park.
Motel is what we love.
That's the motel, and we think we're in America because we don't really have hotels in South Africa.
Yeah.
So they've used an American term.
And it looks like it without going here. Could have come in a Nevada desert.
Yes, it is like a Nevada desert. This is a Kalahari desert.
I love it. Look at this brush here. And you can't believe this goes for the Monacoland daisies, it goes orange and all
Yes.
different colours.
All orange flowers.
And right now it's dead.
This is the caravan park where we're at, and we were going to be under that tree over there, but the lady saw the weather wasn't nice and all that, so she said we must stay in a room. So we stayed in the room, and the next thing the owner came and she said, no, you can stay here for 2-3 weeks. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. It's nice. This is all the ablutions up here. All of these buildings here are ablution blocks. This is a powerhouse here. You can hang your washing up to dry here. And these are the rooms. They look a bit derelict this side. But there, we parked right next to my room, next to our room. It's quite a nice little setup here. We're happy. So here we have the toilet door and everything. I put a piece of aluminium up there, right to the top, to hold the plastic against the wall because it was bubbling off. So this is a reinforcing alley here. Just a couple of screws holding it in. Anyway, like I was showing you. So I put that on, and I also put one on the door here because it was bursting on the side here. So I tried to glue it before, but it didn't work successfully. So I put this piece of alley there, and I've screwed it in. So it's like a clamp now. That clamps it together, top and bottom. So yeah, the door's now going to be nice and tight and secure, so it won't give us any hassles. I did both sides. Here's the inner side. And this is the outer side. Yeah, looks skew, but that's fine. I've actually got a clamp, a vice grip on the bottom because it was a bit bursty there. So I've got some glue in there. I'm just waiting for it to dry. And that is the actual door for the loo. You can see I made a new slide for it, so it slides in there like that, and it hooks in the top there. Then you can pull the loo out. I put a rope on this, you can pull it out like that, and you can use it. There it is. Close it. When you close it, we put the string back. Couldn't show you that. I'll just close it. And you can grab the string again when you want to pull it out. Just slide the door down. Easy like that. Out of harm's way.
Oh, museum. Look, all the old tech for horses.
Oh yeah.
This place has been around for 50 years.
Yeah, 50 years. That's true.
Look at all the pictures here. Was this how they did what? Oh, they put the ceilings up, I think. Oh wow, this is like our case. Got a case like this. Perhaps?
Yeah.
Got a case just like this.
Mountains in the background. And yourself there.
Right now it's dead. So beautiful.
So this is the motel.
I feel like I'm in America,
Huh?
in Nevada or somewhere in the desert.
And what we got there?
These are rocks, I'm sure, are copper. How they get copper out. My dad worked on the copper mine in Zambia.
Ah,
And this is like a copper rock, and this area was known for copper.
So these are copper rocks. The blue one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'll ask AR, but I'm sure it is.
Yeah.
So this is like, I feel like I'm staying in the United States at a motel. I love it. And here we have a lounge area in the motel. Stunning. This is our evening view. And the sunset going over the mountains. So this is the lovely motel suite that we've been given as a blessing, that we don't have to go and stay in the van. So the van's parked near us, and this is my station for art, and this is Graham's station for videoing. Hi babes, working hard again.
gotta get it out.
Yeah, so this is a gorgeous view from the door even. I feel like I'm in Nevada. There is a bath. It's so nice to have a bath. Oh, I'm loving it. Yeah. With van life you have showers everywhere. Oh, how beautiful. Look at the mist. This is our view this morning. Look how gorgeous it is. The cloud is just hanging in the middle of on the ground. How beautiful. Baby, where are you going, cuckoos? Hello.
Hello everybody. Well, we've got to the end of the video and I hope everybody enjoys what you see there. We certainly did. This was a total surprise for us, and what a beautiful place. You know, we feel like we're in America here. We're in a motel. But yes, enough said from me. We really love this place. I wonder, what do you think, Sim?
Outside our view is just a
Amazing.
sparseness, but there's a character to it. We woke up this morning, as you saw, the clouds were just hanging in the valley, and even the little shrubs, they're different colours. I can imagine when there's Monaqualand daisies here.
Yeah, it must be orange world there.
So I know they say it's actually now in May. It's a strange time, but she says it's changed a bit.
Yeah,
And
winter,
yeah.
end of autumn, winter.
But this place is gorgeous. I'm loving it. It's actually like a nice rest for us, because even though we do stay like 1 month at a place, this is on beds where we're always
This
in
is
the camper van.
This is a total different scenario. I
Yeah.
mean, it's like we're on holiday. We're camping, but we're on holiday now.
Yeah, I cook my food in the camper van,
Yeah.
just outside the door.
Because it's only a room
Yeah.
and a toilet and a bathroom. That's all it is. So,
But
yeah.
it's beautiful. We get a beautiful cat that comes to visit us.
Mm.
So friendly, and I don't like cats that claw. This one doesn't claw. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
So we get a friendly visit every day, well, most days. And we're so enjoying it. We did find a coffee shop, as you saw.
Yep.
So, yeah.
Can you believe it? We thought there wasn't one. We searched high and low, but we found it.
And I looked online, there is another one in town. More than, I think it's a nursery or something.
Yeah.
But anyway, yeah. So
Anyway, so if you guys liked the video, give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please, guys,
Yeah.
we really do appreciate all your support there, which helps us go through this journey. We thank you, and we'll see you next Sunday at 5 p.m. God bless.
Cindy and Graham.
Bye.
Bye-bye.